Nice. With regards to like Web3 agents and the stuff that you guys are building, so I know we had like these meme coins backed by an agent. I always wonder like how much actually is an agent behind the scene. Like sometimes I see these like
Yeah,
agentic accounts tweet, and I'm like, this is literally just a guy
it's
who runs
an
the account
API.
who took like
Yeah,
money sponsorship.
yeah.
How do you want to like change it? How do you see it differently? Like,
Yeah, that is super interesting. And, we built Dispatch, Espresso Dispatch several years ago at this point, which was pretty much anything that happened on chain could become a trigger, and then you can have an output action to any third party program. We did get a lot of requests to add like specific logic, if specific threshold or pricing or criteria was met. We're seeing a lot of agents do that. But I mean, I don't know if you remember like the Furrow combo days or like original gelato days, like all these
Mhm.
things existed. So like I guess you could be hooking that into an LLM for a slightly better ease of use. But in terms of like where we see agents going, I think it'll be more sophisticated. The other thing too is like when we think of agents, it's not exclusively Web3. We look at Flora as more of like a back end rail. So if you want to go touch Web3 or you want to go transact value, that can all happen natively within the ecosystem. But if you want to have like a Web2 agent and use the tools mostly in a traditional fashion, you 100% can. So we want to kind of blur that line a little bit to start capturing a wider audience as well. So a lot of the tools we have will be really accessible and try to abstract a lot of the stuff away to behind the scenes. But if you want to go full on Web3 with privacy, full encryption, using bridging tech to connect multiple chains, that type of thing, ideally that's all within the marketplace. So you can activate those features as necessary. But yeah, I'd say like in terms of the agents, I mean, we're even talking about early on showcasing like our DevOps agents in the marketplace, which are totally different, right? We run a whole compute stack. We have a data center up in California, and we rack up there. And the whole thought process, instead of having our DevOps team 24/7 monitor this thing, we start putting agents there. We have new code generating agents, error handling agents, then a top level agent that all these will feed into and provide us summaries like on a daily basis. And these, I mean, these things have increased our capacity from an engineering standpoint substantially.
Mhm.
And when we talk to most teams, they're not quite there with it. So it's like, how do we make those type of things even more accessible through Flora and having that marketplace of, engineering style agents, not even for hire, but, templates that you could leverage. And so I think the array of agents within Flora will be quite vast. So through Dispatch, we'll show more of the on-chain style agents where you can listen to specific activity, maybe a smart contract event or function that can feed a specific agent activity and use a flow that can then be picked up by Flora as well. So we'll showcase a few different things early on, but it is going to be a blend of like Web 2 use cases as well as like deeper Web 3 use cases.